My name is Shari Raymond. I run Milton Goose, and we make heirloom quality, beautiful children's toys and furniture. I started the company in 2017. I had been looking for a play kitchen to sit in our living room. I wanted something quality, made in the US, and when I couldn't find it, I decided I would just make it myself. As a small business owner, I'm constantly looking for new ways to learn and to grow my own education. I took the Selling with Storytelling course through the Verizon Small Business Digital Ready program. My focus on storytelling has shifted dramatically. I have now learned that there are so many different angles through which to connect with a customer. It's not just about the product and the brand, but it's also about me as a mother and my story. So I started to share that more with customers in our emails and on social media. We had a sale for our 5th birthday, and that sale performed 3 times better than our typical sales around that time of year. The narrative storytelling aspect directly contributed to the success of that sale. I feel grateful every day that I get to do this because I couldn't imagine any other job I'd rather be doing.